What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. You don't have to be into 50 Shades of Grey to want to wrap your phone up tight in leather. I picked this up. It's from MUJJO, and it's a leather wallet case. This one's for the XS Max, and they do have it for other models here. I just wanted to check this out because it's looked super nice, and on top of that, it seemed to have some functionality that is really desirable. So we'll open it up just like this. Look at that. I love the packaging on this thing. It's super nice. Got a window here, nice thick foam. I don't know, I'm not trying to get all gushy about the packaging, but I am. So we've got that, and here is the case itself. Look at this. Obviously they have a little card in here kind of demonstrating what you can do with this sucker. MUJJO, and that is put business cards here, put credit cards, put your key card for your office or something, use your phone as your pass. That's kind of pretty, that's pretty nifty. And see here, this is just beautiful blue. That's the color I wanted. It's kind of a royal blue, definitely a royal blue, and really fantastic looking. It feels absolutely phenomenal. Wow, and that smells absolutely phenomenal. It smells like a high-end leather shoe. I like that that card is in there. It gives it a little space. Sometimes these are really, really tight, and you can see here the stitching, which is color matched all the way around here, should hold that in place really, really nicely, but put stuff in here. Now, my warning to you is, just like my buddy, if you're gonna put stuff in there, make sure it's tight, and then don't vary the amount of stuff that you carry widely, because if this kind of loosens up, things could fall out. So kind of keep that in mind. And as you can see here, this thing folds all the way around. I'm not even sure how they do it. It must be like a really thin plastic shell or something that they wrap. You can see here we have a suede inner back here, so the glass on the back of your XS Max isn't going to be a problem. Branded right there with MUJJO. You might not be able to see it there. It kind of just kind of shimmers when I get the light right on it. So everything is really nice. You can see how it's steamed and rolled around the corners. Super high end. Even the little buttons here, they're kind of molded in. The leather is wrapped around there and assumed steamed and shaped around these volume rockers. Cut out here for the mute switch and the camera right here, and you can see how that edge is like a little painted or burnished right in there too. And then on the bottom, you got a full cutout here for speakers and microphones. So just really, really beautiful. Now I'm just gonna take the XS Max, which has a ton of fingerprints on it, gonna press it in here, boom, just like that. Don't blame the MUJJO for the fingerprints on the glass. You can see open on the bottom for access to everything. I can click that button, no problem. You can probably even hear it. And if you go around here, easy access to that button. Volume rockers, no problem. Nice big space here for the camera lens so that you're not hugging it. Man, that is, golly, that is nice, dude. That is really, really nice. So, and one of my issues when they make leather cases, it's like you take a hard case, you put leather on top of it, they get really thick. This is a big phone, and this feels really super comfortable. And actually, I feel like I get a better grip. It's more comfortable in my hand with this on. So that's pretty amazing. If you want to pick up this MUJJO, check it out. I will put a link to this bad boy in the description. You can pick this up not only in just this blue, but I think in some other colors and for different phones too. So I would hesitate not to pick it up because this is beautiful. Check it out. Peter Von Panda out.